kind of windy out here today. They're not liking the wind, but I've put a little milk in their food, so yeah, we'll come outside for that. We'll come outside for that.
You better get under the table.
That wind is blowing a little. They are doing so good. So this is the rose litter, except the two brindles are rose.
Just about big enough. They're going to have two plates instead of one plate at the table. Gravity's taking it all to one side.
They are 5 weeks old Sunday. So they're doing good to come outside. Typically puppies don't like to be